If you're looking to grow your online teaching business, or any business for that matter, it's a good idea to have your websites, your social media, any information accessible to the people that find you on social media. Actually, scratch that. It's necessary. A lot of people use services like LinkTree in order to do this. And while that's definitely better than nothing, I'm going to show you why I don't use LinkTree, and what I'm going to show you, you can do for free. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. If you are a long-time subscriber, I do want to apologize. I know I haven't posted any long-form content, like any of these long videos, in a really long time. It's been kind of a crazy, hectic couple of months, and I've had to prioritize my time to my students and the teachers that I've been working with. But I am back, and you can expect the regularly scheduled content. So if there's anything that you're looking for and that you want me to make a video on, drop it in the comment section and I can do that for you. And if you're just seeing me for the very first time, my name is Jillian from Independent Teacher Academy, and on this channel we talk about different ways that you can grow your online teaching business and earn an income by teaching online. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you click subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss our future updates. Because I know some of you don't know what LinkTree is, you're just getting into this, I always like to say we're teachers first. Like, we come into this because we like teaching, we like what we're doing, but we have to learn how to become business owners. So if you've never done that and you're brand new, you might not even know what LinkTree is. So I'm going to show you. It's a service that you can use that puts all of your links on one page. Let me show you an example. So if we go to Instagram, you can see there that there's a spot where you can put your link. And actually Instagram allows you to put two different things, but when you put two different things, it ends up looking kind of cluttered like this. I mean, it looks kind of messy. And most social media platforms only allow you to put one link anyways, so that's where something like LinkTree comes into play. So why would you even want to put a link on your social media page, taking them off of your social media page? When you're using social media to build a business or to build a brand of some sort, whatever it might be, your goal is to get them off of your social media and into your business funnel, whatever that might be. Everybody's is a little bit different. Since you guys are all online teachers, your goal is to get your followers into your online classes. You want to have links that go off of social media so that your followers can learn more, or they can engage with you in some way outside of the app. You're going to be able to build your business and your brand, educate your following, and start building that relationship with them as potential future clients. So some ways that you can do this. Maybe you want to send them to your email list and you want to use your social media to start growing your email list. Maybe you're doing affiliate marketing and you have a list of products that they can use, and whenever they buy that product, the company gives you a kickback. You might want to send them to your Facebook group where you can start building that community with them. Or maybe you want to schedule a consultation call with them or a trial lesson. So you can see here, there's a lot of different things that you might want to do, but you don't have a lot of space to do it. And that's where LinkTree or something like that comes into play. They offer a simple service. All you have to do is click what you want to put on your LinkTree and then put the website URL in there, and then boom, you're done. So I kind of have a little side hustle that I've been starting, and that is with my goats. I am going to show you my new soap making business, and because I don't have a LinkTree set up for them, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I could do this with LinkTree using their free plan. So we're on the LinkTree site, and I'll put the link to this in the description box if you decide that you want to do it. And we're going to do the join for free one, because I don't want to pay money. And see, if you go down here to explore all features, you can see what free gives you. So it doesn't give you a lot of stuff here. So we're gonna join for free. I'm going to do this for my soap business. So here we go. We're doing the free forever plan, and then boom, join for free. That's it. We are all signed up, and now we're going to actually create our LinkTree. So you're going to see how super easy this is. So we're going to add a link, and you're going to just put in here, what are you linking to? So maybe you want to share a YouTube video. So I'm going to add this in here, right? This is a watched video. So then I create a title. Maybe you have a long form YouTube video that is something along the lines of 5 ways you can easily learn English for travel. Okay, that goes right in your niche. You want to add that onto your thing. So you can either link to the website where you see looks like that, or you could display the actual video on your LinkTree, or see that opens up in a new site. Okay, so you see how you have those two different options. So if you want to link to the website or display it on LinkTree, I prefer to link to the website because if they're watching it inside the app or inside LinkTree, they're not able to comment because they're not logged in. So if you're going to do that, make sure that you link to the website. Maybe you want to put your Calendly site in there so that you can have people schedule a consultation call. Now up here, right where it says URL, this is where you can put any of your URLs that you want to display. So anything that goes to a site. So maybe you want to put your Facebook group. If you already have your own website, I would highly recommend not using LinkTree, but something's better than nothing. So boom, I've got Only Goats Farm, and maybe I want to say something like shop. Boom. Okay, shop. Shop goat milk products. And that's going to take them. I would actually put my store in there, but for now, I'm just going to show you the Only Goats Farm. So these are all the things that you can do here. You can share all of these things. I'm not going to use any of those. You can add your Clubhouse. We've talked about Clubhouse in a previous video, so if that's something that you want to see what that is and how you could use it for your business, go check that video out. You can add your Facebook videos. So there is a reel right there. Okay, now this is way too long. It's the entire post, the entire caption. So I might just say, watch me make soap. I don't like any of this, by the way. I don't like this. I really am not a LinkTree fan. I could add YouTube, whatever I want to add, Pinterest, anything that I want to. And then you're going to go to share and click on copy. And you're going to use this link here to add it to your social media platforms. And if you click on any of these, it's going to show you how to add them to your social media platform. You can also go ahead and change your appearance. So you can pick an image. There's the image that I use for a lot of things. That is my goat flops. And then you can add a bio. That is not actually what I put in my bio, but you can add your social icons. So go ahead and add all of your icons to anything that you want. Now, you do not have to be on all of these. Be on the social medias that are going to work for you. Be on the ones that make sense for you to have for your own business. Now, to grow your email list, you can do that on LinkTree, but it costs extra money. You have to be on Pro. Pro costs $9 a month. If you're going to be growing your own email list, you should probably have your own website to begin with. So there's that. The big benefit of LinkTree, you could see here, is it's super simple to do. Drawback, however, there's not a ton that you can do on the free plan. So unless you want to pay every month just to have a page where you can put all of your websites, it's not really super beneficial in my opinion. There's nothing on LinkTree that you can't do on your own. Yes, there is a learning curve. Yes, you have to learn how to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it though. So I would actually like to take a moment and cut this and apologize. I originally intended to make this all one video, but when I started editing it, I was like, no, that is way too much of a brain dump. So this is going to be a part 2 video. If you want the easy way to do the LinkTree and you just want to get something up and you don't want to mess around with building your own website, then this is the way that you should do it. But when you're ready, or if you're looking for something else, stay tuned for part 2. I will put it in the comments or in the description box so that you can easily find part 2 when it's up. And this video, by the way, was done by request from the members of Independent Teacher Academy. And so is the next one. So what Independent Teacher Academy is it is an online coaching / mentorship program where I help you grow your online teaching business. I'm going to walk you through the tips that you need to succeed, how to get new students, how to set up your classes, whatever it is that you need, how to take that student that is a potential student that you started talking to and actually convert them into a paying student. We meet every Tuesday, and it is a virtual Zoom meeting, so you're more than welcome to join. If you're not able to make it, we have a Telegram group chat as well. And the recordings are like streamed live into our Facebook group. So if you need to go back and watch it and comment and get some feedback or ask some questions that weren't addressed, that's always open and available to you as well. Membership is open, so if you're interested in joining us for our mentorship program, I'll put the link in the description box below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support of this channel means the world to me, and I will continue to post videos. Again, I'm sorry that I've kind of been absent for a little bit on my long form content, but I've got a lot of stuff that I have planned out that I just have to like record and edit and get it out there. So even though you haven't seen me doing the things, I've kind of been doing the other things that lead to the things. Does that make sense? All right, and the wonderful YouTube algorithm says that you're going to like this video next, so I will see you guys over there.